Hello and welcome to this video on the city of Tanger, located in the beautiful country of Morocco. Tanger has a rich history dating back to ancient times, and it has evolved significantly over the centuries. In this video, we will explore the city's past and present, and how it has managed to retain its unique character and charm despite the many changes it has undergone. Tanger was founded by the Phoenicians in the 9th century BC and was later conquered by the Romans, the Vandals, and the Byzantines. It has also been influenced by Moroccan, Spanish, Portuguese, and French cultures, making it a melting pot of various civilizations. In the past, Tanger was a major port city and a gateway to Africa and Europe. It was a hub of trade and cultural exchange, attracting merchants, travelers, and intellectuals from around the world. The city was also known for its vibrant nightlife, with famous writers and artists like Tennessee Williams and Paul Bowles making it their home. Today, Tanger is a modern and cosmopolitan city, with a population of over 1 million people. It is a major economic center, with a thriving tourism industry and a growing tech sector. The city has undergone significant development in recent years, with new infrastructure and landmarks such as the Tanger-Med port and the Tangier-Morocco City high-speed rail line. Despite these changes, Tanger has managed to retain its unique character and charm. The city's Medina, or Old Town, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to narrow streets, colorful markets, and historic landmarks such as the Grand Soko and the Casbah Museum. The city also has a rich cultural heritage, with traditional Moroccan music and cuisine, as well as vibrant festivals and events such as the Tanger Film Festival and the Mawazine Music Festival. One interesting fact about the city of Tanger that not many people may know is that it was once an international zone. From 1923 to 1956, Tanger was a neutral territory that was governed by an international commission made up of representatives from various countries, including France, Spain, Italy, the United Kingdom, and the United States. This unique arrangement was established to ensure the neutrality and independence of the city, and it allowed Tanger to retain a high level of autonomy and a cosmopolitan character. During this time, Tanger became a haven for artists, writers, and intellectuals, who were attracted by its liberal atmosphere and cultural diversity. Some of the famous figures who lived in Tanger during this period include Tennessee Williams, Paul Bowles, and Jean Genet. In conclusion, Tanger is a city that has managed to blend the past and the present in a harmonious way. It is a place where modernity and tradition coexist, creating a unique and dynamic culture that is truly one of a kind. Thank you for watching this video on the city of Tanger, and we hope you have learned more about this fascinating place.